Grab a quick drink. I had a question from Forrest Gumbo 1183, asked to take a look at AQST, and I was going to use that as a part of a case study uh, to look at some additional um, discussion on our series on how to trade biotech stocks for beginners. So we've had this ongoing discussion, this ongoing series on how to trade biotech stocks for beginners. I'm not going to have time today to go into all my notes on how to calculate the quarter's cash flow positive. You can see my notes on how to calculate the quarter's cash flow positive for these biotechs in the notes. And probably next week or in subsequent weeks, I'll try to go over that discussion about how do you calculate quarter's cash flow positive and why that's important for biotechs. And maybe if you all are interested, please let me know in the comments or in our Discord if you think it's worth producing another Google Sheet that you could use to do these calculations to calculate the quarter's cash flow positive for a biotech or really any stock, but it's particularly important, in my humble opinion, for biotech. So, again, I'm not going to have time to go over that calculation now, but if you put in the comments or in our Discord if it would be worthwhile building a Google Sheet to do that, that would help me know if it's worth the time and effort to do so. So I do want to look at this AQST very briefly, and Easy Mike asked to look at ALT. Both of these are biotech. So again, potential case studies to go through that calculation on. I'll try to quickly look at those too, but let me grab a drink a second. Okay, firstly, this AQST. So this is Acquisitive Therapeutics. You can see it's pretty high. So it had a nice run up into that resistance, got rejected. Looks like it's bouncing. So it looks pretty positive. If we zoom out a little bit. So this looks like it's broken out from its previous high. It's got some room up into that longer term moving average, got plenty of upside in the past. So it looks like it's on a nice uptrend, so it's doing pretty well. Again, most biotechs generally lose money, so that's why it's important to know, how much cash do they have. One of the things I always look at is their cash per share, although that's going to deteriorate. Looks like positive sentiment. Looks like they don't have an outstanding offering that we can see. Looks like the analysts like it. Had a 633 target price. So again, it's at near its 52-week high. Look at what do they do? So they develop, commercialize unmet medical needs, therapeutics. So just a note, again, we'll probably talk about this again more next week and subsequent weeks, but you'll see in that calculation of quarter's cash flow positive, some of the information that you input, you can find here on FinBiz in their financial statements. So you see their cash and short-term investments, etc. So you can find the values for those inputs in the financial statements at the bottom of FinBiz. Again, we expect most biotechs lose a lot of money. They don't generally have a lot of income. So yeah, they're burning cash. So it's again important to know You know, how many quarters are they going to have before they run out of cash? You can see if we can see their pipeline. Let me see what this run-up has been due to. So phase 3 trial. Okay, so they dosed first patient in phase 3. So again, these are all catalysts when they start a phase. Obviously, the later phases are more positive. So all of those are catalysts that will then cause, you know, pop up in the stock. Then the question is, you know, how well do they hold these pops? So that was in November, and we got, oh, that was in December. So it's probably had a run up, yep, since December, since that catalyst. So as I pointed out when we looked at that BIVI, typically I'm looking in these biotech stocks for their pipeline. So here we can see their site. First place I'd go is their pipeline. You know, how many drugs do they have in development, and in what phase? What are their what diseases? What targets? So they've got seizures, anaphylaxis. This is clinical, so they're in trials, clinical trials with a couple things. They got some FDA approvals, so that's very positive. So they've had some success. So yeah, this guy looks pretty good. Right now, looks like they've only got 2 in clinical trials, and they've got some tentative approval granted. So yeah, this AQST looks pretty positive. Again, I'd want to, you know, dig into more details about each of those. Look at their cash burn, etc. See what risk of dilution. But again, this looks pretty good. It's a little high right now. Might get a retracement. It might be attractive to pick up on a retracement, a rejection off that resistance. But this AQST looks like a pretty attractive biotech. In general, again, it's important to understand their cash position, risk of dilution, etc. And typically, in this current environment, I stay away from big money losers. But again, as biotechs go, from this very quick look at it, it looks pretty attractive. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the beach bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.